We continue now at the top of Daf Nun Zayin Amud Aleph in Meseches Nedarim. This is Nedarim Daf 57a. The Mishnah says, Konim Peiros ha'elu olai, konim hein alpi, konim hein lifi. If a person says these particular fruits should be a neder, should be prohibited to me, or let's say they should be prohibited on my mouth or to my mouth, any of those phrases, asur bechilufein uvegidulein. It is forbidden to have that which is exchanged for those particular fruits and anything which grew from those particular fruits. Sha'ani ochel v'sha'ani toem. Now let's say the phrase that's used is that which I taste, meaning I'm not going to eat, I'm not going to taste the fruits. Mutter, in that case, when you phrase it in that fashion, it is mutter bechilufein uvegidulein. It's mutter those things that are exchanged and those things that grow from those fruits. And the Mishnah says, B'davar shazaro kala. We're specifically talking about something where when you plant it, the seed is destroyed. Alva b'davar she'ein zaro kala. But if it's something where if you plant it, the seed is not destroyed, it just grows. Afilu gidule gidulin asurin. Even that which grows from the growth is going to be prohibited. And the Mishnah continues along the same lines. Omer l'ishto, if a person says to his wife, Konim ma'ase yodayach olai, your earnings should be konim to me, should be prohibited to me. Konim hein alpi, konim hein lifi, again, they should be prohibited on my mouth, to my mouth, any of those phrases, asur b'chilufein uvegidulein. Then it's going to be forbidden to have anything that's exchanged for those earnings, or anything that grows from those earnings. Sha'ani ochel, sha'ani toim, but let's say the phrase is that I will not eat it, I will not taste it, so then mutter b'chilufein uvegidulein. Then it's okay to have that which is exchanged for it, or that which grows from it. But again, the Mishnah says, B'davar shezaro kala, that's specifically by something where the seed is destroyed. Aval davar she'ein zaro kala, but if it's something where the seed is not destroyed, afilu gidule gidulin asur, even that which grows from the growth is going to be prohibited. The Mefarish says, B'davar shezaro kala, something where the seed is destroyed, bekarka, meaning the seed is planted and the seed gets destroyed in the earth. The gadol, and then it grows. Kagon chita, for example, like a wheat. The chayotze, or similar things, dainu gidulin gemur, and that's pure gidulin, so to speak. Aval b'davar she'ein zaro kala, but if the seed is not destroyed, kagon hashumim v'abetzelim, for example, the garlic and the onion, she'eino kala bekarka, it doesn't get destroyed in the earth and then grow. El sharaba v'gadol beguf, or rather, it just kind of increases in size. So then afilu gidule gidulin asur, and even the growth from the growth is asur. Techugufayu damu, because it's all like the original onion, like the original garlic, because again, it's really just growing larger. It's not something where the first part, the seed, is destroyed, and then something entirely new grows. And the Mefarish continues, Ma'ase yodayach olai, if a person says to his wife, your earnings are prohibited to me, v'nosnu lo peiros b'schar ma'ase yodah. Now let's say they give her fruits as a payment for her earnings. Hoel v'amar olai, since he said olai, asur b'chilufein v'chulu, it's asur anything that's exchanged for them, or anything that grows from them. Aval ki amar she'eni toim, when he says, I'm not going to taste it, so then mashma mehen gufa, and that already sounds like from that itself, the earnings themselves, eni toim, that I'm not going to partake. Hilkach mutter b'chilufein uvegidulein. In that case, that which is exchanged or that which grows is going to be mutter. Im zaro v'tzamchu, again, let's say it's planted and something new grows. And we'll take a look at the Ran as well. Konim peiros ha'elu alai, konim hein alpi, konim hein lafi, asur b'chilufeinu v'gidulei. And again, the first part of the Mishnah, these fruits are asur. So then what we say is even that which is exchanged and that which grows from them is asur. Mishum dekevan sheparat hadvarim hanasarim. All of the point over here is, he didn't say like a certain species of fruit is asur, Tim. He specified specific fruits that are asur. Shavino aleka hektish. So then we say, it's as if he turned those fruits into hektish. Umishum hachi, it's for that reason, mitzar b'chilufein uvegidulein. That's why that which is exchanged or that which grows from them is going to be asur. Ki hechin d'chilufei hektish ugidula vasure. Just like we find that which is exchanged for hektish or that which grows from hektish, that's also asiri. That is also asur. And we'll take a look at the Ran over here as well. B'davar shezaro kola, avol davar she'ein zaro kola, afilo gidule gidul and asur. And again, if the seed is not destroyed, even the growth of the growth is asur. And the Ran says, akula masnisin koi. This line's going on the entire Mishnah. V'achi kamer, this is what it means. My damrin and bereisha asur b'gidulein. First of all, in the first part of the Mishnah where we say the gidulein is asur, tamashma dafka b'gidulein mitzvah avol b'gidule gidul and shari, sounds like gidulein is asur, but gidule is permitted. Hanimili b'davar shezaro kola. That's only true again if the seed is kala, but otherwise we're going to say even the gidulin is asur. And the Ran over here continues v'chein nami seifa. This applies to the end of the Mishnah as well. The shani ochel shani toim mutter b'chilufein v'gidulei, and it said that in the case where the phrase is shani ochel shani toim chilufein and gidulein are mutter, but again that's dafka b'davar shezaro kala. That's only if the seed is destroyed. Avol davar she'ein zaro kala, but again if it's not zaro kala, bein b'reisha, bein b'seifa, afilu gidulin asur. And whether we're talking about the reisha or the Seifa, even the Gidule Gidulin, are going to be prohibited. And the Mishnah continues, Sha'at osa eini ochel ad Pesach. If a husband says to his wife, that which you produce, I will not eat until Pesach, or Sha'at osa eini miskasa ad Pesach, that which you produce, I will not cover myself with until Pesach. So astal lifnei Pesach, so if she produces it, if she makes it before Pesach, mutter lechol liskasos achar Pesach, so he will be allowed to eat it or cover himself with it after Pesach. The prohibition for him to benefit from it is only before Pesach. Now, if he says Sha'at osa ad HaPesach, let's say he says to her, that which you make until Pesach, eini ochel, I will not eat, or v'sha'at osa ad HaPesach, or that which you make until Pesach, eini miskasa, I will not cover myself with. So in that case, astal lifnei HaPesach, if she made it before Pesach, asur lechol ulehiskasos achar Pesach. There, it's asur to eat it or cover with it even after Pesach, because again, the way it was phrased was, he wasn't saying he's not going to eat it until Pesach, he was saying that which is made before Pesach, I won't eat or I won't cover myself with it at all. That applies even after Pesach. And the Mishnah continues, Sha'at nenesali ad ha-Pesach. Let's say a husband says to his wife, you cannot benefit from me until Pesach. Im holeches ad leveis avich ad ha-Chag. If you go to your father's house until Sukkot, meaning it's like a condition. If you should go to your father's house from now until Sukkot, anytime like that, then the condition is considered to have been fulfilled, and then you will not be allowed to derive benefit from me until Pesach time. So then the halach is as follows. Let's say she does go to her father's house before Pesach, so now the condition has been fulfilled. So asura b'hanaso ad Pesach, so it's going to be asur for her to derive benefit from him until Pesach, and we'll continue with this discussion in the next video on Daf Nun Zayin Amud Beis.